Welcome to our comprehensive guide on crafting strong academic essays. In this video, we will unveil the secrets to writing compelling and well-structured essays that will impress your professors and elevate your academic performance. Whether you are a high school or college student, mastering the art of essay writing is crucial for success. Join us as we delve into the key elements of a strong essay, discuss effective writing strategies, and provide essential tips to enhance your overall writing skills. Get ready to sharpen your academic writing prowess and achieve the grades you deserve. Academic essays. Writing strategies. Essay structure. Effective writing tips. Improving academic writing. Are you struggling to write convincing and impactful academic essays that earn you top grades? Do you find it challenging to structure your ideas and present them coherently? If so, you're in the right place. Welcome to our video guide on crafting strong academic essays. In this comprehensive tutorial, we will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to excel in essay writing. So, let's dive in and unearth the secrets to writing remarkable academic essays. Section 1. The elements of a strong essay. Before we begin constructing your academic masterpiece, let's dissect the key elements that make up a strong essay. Understanding these elements will guide you in structuring your thoughts effectively. So, what are they? Elements of a strong essay one by one. The first essential element is a captivating introduction. It sets the stage for your essay and grabs the reader's attention. Then, we move on to the thesis statement, which presents a clear and concise argument you will explore throughout your essay. Next, we have the body paragraphs, where you develop your ideas with supporting evidence and analysis. Finally, a compelling conclusion wraps up your essay and leaves a lasting impression. Section 2. Effective writing strategies. Now that we understand the essay's structure, let's focus on some effective writing strategies that will elevate the quality of your work. These strategies will help you convey your ideas with clarity, coherence, and conviction. Firstly, we have brainstorming techniques. By brainstorming, you can generate ideas, organize your thoughts, and create a solid foundation for your essay. Secondly, outlining your essay provides a roadmap that ensures your thoughts flow logically from one section to another. Thirdly, incorporating evidence and citations from credible sources validates your arguments and strengthens the overall credibility of your essay. Lastly, proofreading and editing are crucial steps to refine your writing, ensuring it is polished and error-free. Section 3. Essential tips for enhancing writing skills. Apart from essay structure and effective writing strategies, there are several vital tips you can implement to enhance your overall writing skills. Let's explore some of them. Tip number 1. Read extensively. Reading widely exposes you to different writing styles, enhances your vocabulary, and provides inspiration for your own writing. Tip number 2. Practice writing regularly. Writing is a skill, and like any skill, it improves with practice. Tip number 3. Seek feedback from peers or mentors. Others' perspectives and suggestions can help you identify areas for improvement and refine your writing style. And finally, tip number 4. Embrace revisions. Writing is an iterative process, and revising your work allows you to refine your ideas and ensure a flawless essay. Congratulations! You have now uncovered the secrets to strong academic essays. Remember, mastering the art of essay writing takes time and practice, but with the right strategies and knowledge, you can excel in this essential skill. So, start implementing what you've learned today and witness the impact it has on your academic success. Thank you for joining us in this journey of discovering the secrets to strong academic essays. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more insightful content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Happy writing and best of luck in all your academic endeavors. J Writers Academy wishes you success.